guys, welcome back. Today we are gonna be playing with slime. So let's get started. Yay! So I have this. It's very good, but it rips whenever you play with it. It is not edible. No, no, no. So we get out. Some people say it's edible. It's chewy, but it's not, guys. Okay? Listen to me. It's not. Look at it. It looks so cute. I don't really like myself. And you can lick it, but not eat it. You can take a bite, but not eat it. There. I'm just gonna try to eat it. Okay. So bye guys. Just come back. You can like, subscribe, and hit the little bell, and comment, and if you don't like it, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs down. Okay? I want 5 likes on this video. Okay? Then I'll go show you my Instagram name. MSP name, so you can friend me. I'm not that rich on MSP. Okay? It's movie star on it. Right?